So this video is about Newton's third law, and this law states that when an interaction takes place between two systems, each system exerts a force on the other, and these two forces are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. These two forces are called action-reaction pairs. You may already know this as every action has an equal and opposite reaction. And two things to note about action-reaction force pairs are that they act on different objects, and just because forces are equal and opposite does not mean that they are action-reaction pairs. And a good example of this are weight and normal forces. And then here's an example. A box sits on a desk. Identify the action-reaction force pairs. We already know how to draw action forces on a free body diagram. Here you can see that there's a normal force acting upwards on the box and a weight force acting downwards on the box. And you can just fill those forces into the blanks. So the normal force is the force exerted on the box by the table, and the weight force is the force exerted on the box by the earth. And then we also have to draw free body diagrams for the reaction forces. Since the normal force acted upwards on the box, the normal reaction force will act downwards on the box. And since the weight force acted downwards on the box, the weight reaction force will act upwards on the earth. And then you can fill in the blanks, but this time with the reaction forces. So the normal reaction force is the force exerted on by the table, and the weight reaction force is the force exerted on by the earth. And you may notice that the reaction forces have just flipped the order of the action forces.